Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So the dollar yen is like the DXY is still trading in its wave 4 consolidation. We're looking for the upside. For that wave 5 impulse. I think the Fed's decision on rates may surprise us in the coming weeks. So far, they have set on 4 to 5 rate hikes this year, but they may turn more hawkish if the rate hikes does not push inflation down. So, yeah, I think more likely than not, what we're going to see is a strong dollar rally and then sell-off in risk on. So, yeah, be prepared for that. But short term, really, these levels 113, 112, 111 may be in play. You never know what will happen. So, if you have to get in this pair, please trade safe. Our targets will be at around 120 for this bullish move.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.